In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Google Sheets. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a live Google Sheet embedded right inside your ClickUp workspace, so your team can view and work with data without bouncing between tabs. Before we begin, make sure you already have the Google Sheet you want to use and that you know who should be able to view or edit it. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser and signing in. Once you're in, head to the part of your workspace where the sheet will be most useful. This could be a specific space, a folder inside that space, or directly inside a list. Pick the area that matches the work the sheet supports. Think reporting, sprint planning, or campaign tracking, so it's easy for your team to find later. Open the board or list you're working in. At the top, you'll see the Views bar. This is where you manage different ways of looking at your work, like list, board, or calendar. Open the View options to add a new one and select Google Sheets. If your screen is crowded with views, you may need to expand the menu or scroll to find it. Now switch to your Google Sheet in another tab and copy its shareable link. This part is important. Check the sharing settings first. If your team needs to only view the sheet, set it to view access for the right people, your organization, or anyone with the link, depending on your policies. If you want teammates to edit directly from the embed, make sure they have edit permission in Google Sheets. Avoid exposing sensitive data by keeping sharing as tight as your workflow allows. Head back to ClickUp, paste the URL into the field provided for Google Sheets, and confirm. Click Save to add the view. In a few moments, your sheet will load inside ClickUp. If it doesn't appear, double-check the link and permissions. A blank or error screen usually means the sheet is restricted or the link wasn't copied correctly. Once it's visible, you can interact with the embedded sheet just like in Google Sheets, subject to your permissions. Changes you or your team make here are reflected in real time in the original file. If you want the view to open on a specific tab, use the sheet's URL that includes the correct tab's identifier so your team lands exactly where you want them. That's it. You've connected Google Sheets to ClickUp and brought your data into the same place your tasks live, making it easier to collaborate, report, and make decisions without context switching.